sunshine on the fire, oh, when the morning comes. Children laughing as they chase the rising sun. Coconut trees swaying in the ocean breeze. Alofa ileaiga, feeling Christmas in the seas. The humus smoke rising in the village air. Aso Kerisimasi, love is everywhere. Christmas down in Samoa, feel the island light. Reggae rhythm dancing through a warm December night. Family all around us, singing melodies so true. Christmas down in Samoa, I'm grateful here with you. Oh, oh. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Alofa in the voices of the church choir sound, swaying with the rhythm as the blessings come around. Feast on the table, laughter in the breeze. Talo and pisupo underneath the mango trees. Stars in the sky, shining over paradise. Aso Kerisimasi, everything feels right. Christmas down in Samoa, feel the island light. Reggae rhythm dancing through a warm December night. Family all around us, singing melodies so true. Christmas down in Samoa, I'm grateful here with you. Hey, hey, hey. Evening lights are glowing on the village road. Families walking home together with the joyful low. Scent of sweet cocoa drifting through the air. Tina telling stories in a rocking chair. Children by the shoreline skipping waves at night. Kerisimasi spirit makes the whole world bright. Hear the drums in the distance calling everyone. Siva in the moonlight till the day is done. Warm ocean wind blowing softly through the night, bringing peace and joy into our life. Christmas down in Samoa, where the love is strong. Voices of the island singing one united song. Every heart is glowing, every smile is new. Christmas down in Samoa, I'm blessed to be with you.